Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sounds on the Evony game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and if you're playing it for the first time, you will be taken through the basic tutorials, and after completing the basic tutorials and setting up your base, you will be able to tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, from which you can go into the settings menu. Tap on settings and this will open up the settings page. From the settings page, go ahead and tap on options and you will see the music and sound settings at the very top. You can simply tap on the toggle at the right side for both the music and sound, and this will immediately turn off the sound effects as well as music for your game. If you wish to change the setting at any time, you can come back to the same settings menu and then turn the music and sound on once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.